Hello, my name is Dominic and I'm Edinburgh author, pen maker and history lover. Welcome to my 33-day reset series. Hope you enjoy the video. Look how beautiful it turned out. Pine cone from under the Arthur seat. This turned out beautiful. Still need some polishing, sanding. Today's side quest is Calton Hill. Oh, those views from there are stunning in any weather. Calton Hill has been one of Edinburgh's most iconic landmarks since 18th century, offering panoramic views across the entire city and beyond to the Firth of Forth. The hill is crowned with a collection of monuments that earned Edinburgh its nickname, Athens of the North, including unfinished National Monument, which was intended to replicate the Parthenon, but construction halted in 1829 due to lack of funds. The Nelson Monument, a tower commemorating Admiral Lord Nelson's victory at Trafalgar, was completed in 1816 and still fires a time ball daily at 1 p.m. in coordination with a 1 o'clock gun from Edinburgh Castle. The hill also houses the City Observatory, built in 1818, which made Calton Hill a centre for astronomical research in Scotland. Today, Calton Hill remains a beloved spot for locals, offering some of the most breathtaking views in all of Edinburgh.
I really hope you enjoyed today's video, today's side quest. If you like the video, please subscribe, share it with friends, or check links in the description. Thank you for watching.